Islam has a long history in China. This religion has existed since the Tang Dynasty, after a friend of the Prophet Muhammad, namely Sa'ad bin Abi Waqqas, was sent as a representative of the Prophet to Maharaja Guizong in 650 AD. The Maharaja was pleased with Islam and honored the construction of the first mosque in China. A well-known characteristic of Muslim Islamic society in China is the emergence of female imams for women's communities. The Muslim population in China was around 23 million in 2010, spread throughout the country. Islam was first brought to China by a group sent by Uthman bin Affan, the Islamic Caliph, in 651 AD, approximately 20 years after the death of the Prophet Muhammad. The Tang Dynasty was a glorious era in China with a cosmopolitan culture that helped introduce the religion of Islam. The first Muslims in China came from Arab and Persian merchants. In this area, the Hui tribe accepted Islam, and the name was changed to Hui to refer to the Han Chinese tribe who converted to Islam. Throughout the history of Islam in China and also today, education has been a central issue. This is a question of maintaining a community of believers in a largely non-Muslim environment. In the 16th century, the schools were opened in Moscow to provide religious education called Jintangjiao and characteristic of traditional Islam. Other Muslim reformers involved in the intellectual upheaval of the entire Chinese society in the early 20th century founded schools, such as the famous teacher training college Chengda, which aimed to provide modern teaching combining the joint study of Chinese and Arabic, history, mathematics, and science, and to promote sending students abroad. There are about 20 mosques in China, each of which, in theory, has a school 21. However, not all of the 22 imams from this place of worship had students. Despite the authoritarian restoration seen in Xinjiang, this could be due, in a conflict situation, to the fatigue and advanced age of the imams. Under these circumstances, students can easily join other schools nearby, while the average number of disciples can be estimated at 20 per month. Some of them, which have better space, facilities, and where the teaching of the imams are renowned, can bring together and handle disciples. These students were overwhelmingly male, especially in the northwestern provinces. However, most schools are also open to girls when there are not mosques for girls 24, such as in the provinces of the Central Plains. Some pupils have attended public school until the end of the second secondary school syllabus Guizhong. However, many of them stop at elementary school or at the end of the junior high school Guizhong syllabus, and some are almost written in Mandarin. They are native to various regions and sometimes come from very far away. School fees are covered by the host community, as is accommodation if the student's family cannot afford to pay. For the Muslim population in China, many Chinese restaurants serve halal food. There are restaurants or food outlets owned by immigrants from Waters, China. Good meat is commonly found in Chinese food restaurants because of their tasty. So, some information related to life and Islamic education in China. Sini is a form of Chinese Islamic writing style. It is often used to decorate mosques in China. One of the famous Sini writers is Haji Nordin Mi Guanjiang. So, some information related to life and Islamic education in China. I am Asia Nur Hidayat. Thank you for watching this video.